thing I love most about the club is playing with a variety of different people, different games I've never even heard of. And it's just nice to kick back, hang out, for fun.
I enjoy a lot of the interaction with the guys in the club, getting to know all these people are my friends now, obviously. In jokes we develop from Dungeons & Dragons, the kind of goofy humor we students sometimes use.
We play all kinds of games. We play classic games like Risk, Monopoly, some newer mainstream ones like Catan, and strange little games like Red Dragon Inn.
The way that you play Red Dragon, and you're trying to win by either getting everyone to lose in a game of betting or get drunk and get knocked out of the bar.
The objective of Dungeons & Dragons varies from game to game. It can be to slay a big monster, it can be to get a bunch of loot. There's really not a way to win it. It's basically winning is having fun.
You have a group of players, one of whom is the Dungeon Master, or DM. You have your other players who have their characters. They can be basically whatever they want. You can be a wizard, a cleric, or a fighter. And together you work collaboratively to tell a fantastical story where you get to be one of the main people.
I'm Andrew Zlotkin. I am the CSUN Tabletop and Board Games Club President.
My name is John Burkett. I'm a referee or dungeon master in the Board Game and Tabletop Gaming Club.
We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing, and that's something I live by. My name is Chaim Weinberg. I'm the secretary and webmaster of the CSUN Board Game and Tabletop Club. And may the rolls be ever in your favor.